Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and isolating video. Hold the Xbox power button 10 seconds until it dies, unplug the power cord for 10 seconds, then plug back in. This clears capacitive charge and small firmware hangs. Next, swap the HDMI cable and try a different TV or input to eliminate a display handshake problem. While doing that, remove external USB drives and accessories. These can stall boot. Once done, power on and watch for any change in the boot logo or screen color. If the green screen persists, put the console directly into the troubleshoot menu. Power fully off, then hold the pair and eject buttons together and press the power button. Continue holding until the recovery menu appears. You can try reset and keep my games and apps to repair system files without redownloading everything, or perform an offline system update from Microsoft's Recovery USB to reinstall the operating system. While in the menu, read any error messages or codes shown. These pinpoint whether it's software corruption or hardware failure. When repairs don't clear the green screen, perform a full factory reset or reinstall the OS using the offline system update USB procedure. This wipes persistent corruption. After reinstall, test the console on another TV and another power outlet to rule out environmental variables. If the green screen remains, you likely have hardware failure. Document any error codes and contact Xbox support to arrange service or RMA. One key troubleshooting tip. If the console shows no menu at all during the pair plus eject sequence, it's almost...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.